There. Ought to be good and tight now. Something. I swear. I'll never get this done. I sure hope that this spring bracket don't have torque on it. I know it has torque this way, but it shouldn't be torqued against the wall because I can move it. And that's simply moving the bar. So let's hope for the best. Yeah. Little Pee-wee Bradshaw little bolts. Get out of here, man. Alright. It's a moving. Oh man. Alright. I mean, hell, it's out of the damn. If it ain't pulled back. I mean, it hasn't pulled this out, so. If anything, is holding it torque down like this. And if it was that much torque, it wouldn't allow me to even press it in. All right. Let's see what happens. Hold on, y'all. I gotta go outside. It sounds like somebody's yelling help. Well, it was. I did hear someone yelling help. The little old lady outside, she's walking her dog and she slipped in the ice and she hit her head on the curb. So I went out there. I helped her up, held her, called 911. After about 30 minutes of us sitting there in the cold, I had to wrap her up with my with my other jacket, my other Harley jacket, and waited for them to show up. Come to find out, she was walking her little dog. Her little dog, a little tiny little poodle, ran up and she was just sitting there and she hit her head so hard that she didn't even know who the dog was. The dog was running around us. I didn't know who the dog was or belonged to. And come to find out, she lives, of course, right up the street. Little old lady, Miss Judy. Sweet little thing. But all in all, they showed up. They put her in the ambulance and they went on their way. They gave the other neighbor the dog because I got cats. I couldn't take that dog in. Little cute dog, but couldn't take it in. And I came on back here, warmed up, turned on the heater. You know, long story short, I got the last bolt out and I destroyed it. Come to find out, it did have torque on it. And taking the last bolt out, jerked the gun out of my hand, and the whole thing went twisting and shit went flying everywhere, and I jumped off the ladder. Now I know.
And knowing is half the battle.
G.I. Joe!
Well, good thing is, I can replace everything. I don't have to look at that ugly popcorn bar and popcorn springs. See? Cutting corners. See? You'd have just done it right the first time. Scared to... I mean, look at the cable. This cable is what lifts the... All this was wrapped around here. Sounded like a guitar string after it snapped. You know dang well your garage door can't lift without a guitar string. That note said tremendous energy, boy. It was huge. But I noticed my garage door on the bottom now seals to the floor. So something was up with this anyway. I still blame the installers before I got in here and started messing with this, because now I can see that seal is actually flat. This pushed down against the concrete. I'll show you. All of a sudden how this seal mashed down. Pay no attention to all of the debris and destruction going on. Most of it's popcorn. But look at that seal. Look at that. Seal like that won't let water in the way it's been doing. So I'm wondering if these guys maybe cut that cable a little too short and it's stopping the progression of the door from going all the way down and sealing to the floor. So I'm gonna keep that cable, and when I get the new cable, I'm gonna measure a little longer and see what we can do from there, because yeah, I think that might have been the issue. I don't know if y'all can see this, but yeah, that thing did when it kicked back, boom! I mean, I know it don't take, you know, the strength of adamantium or anything, or, you know, adamantium or however you say it, adamantium, yeah, whatever. But yeah, that took some force to just knock that in from that little piece that was on this bar to boom! Oh, the bit fell off! Son of a bitch! not anchor it down when you need structural support with actual anchors. Let's put 3 nails in it.
Message.
Yeah, just as a heads up, never throw a board on the floor with nails sticking up out of it, because it might not be you that steps on it. It might be someone after I throw it in the garbage at the landfill, and they'll be going to do something and step on it, and then they had to get tetanus shot and all that, and then he caused them all kind of trouble, and then next thing you know, that you touch the 2 wires together, and then the house explodes. Then you pitch it. What the bar's supposed to look like. Look what they did to it. This is why it was so hard to take out of the, look at this. They even got it inside look at that, it can't even spin. Not that it's supposed to, but geez, it ain't supposed to be that difficult. I hate popcorn. Oh yeah, of course that one slides off. Thank you for coming back and watching the video. Remember to like, share, subscribe. I know it's been a little while since my last video, but I had some bad luck in the family. My mother passed, and I've been going back and forth and handling business, taking things with her and my father and everything else. If you had any loved ones to pass, you understand what's going on. But yeah, remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. All right then, peace. So we can get that piece up there done so this garage door opens up finally with the magic speed of the internet.